Hi, everyone. Have you ever looked at a bright, juicy strawberry and wondered how it got here? That small red fruit on your plate has a story that begins long before harvest, deep underground with tiny roots. Every strawberry you enjoy is the result of careful planning, patience, and hard work. Today, we are going to explore the complete journey of strawberries, from root harvesting and root preparation through bed making and transplanting, all the way to fresh, frozen, and processed strawberries ready to enjoy. Let's dive into this fascinating farm-to-table process. Strawberry farming begins with selecting strong and disease-free mother plants. Farmers carefully choose plants that are high-yielding and resistant to disease. These plants produce runners, which grow into new baby strawberry plants. Choosing the right mother plants is essential because weak or diseased plants can affect the entire crop. Healthy mother plants ensure strong roots, faster growth, and better quality fruits for the upcoming season. Farmers inspect each plant for signs of pests or disease. Only the best plants are allowed to produce runners. This stage requires patience and attention to detail because the quality of mother plants directly determines the success of the strawberry farm. Once the runners have grown sufficiently, the next step is root harvesting. Farmers gently dig around the base of each runner to lift it from the soil without damaging the delicate roots. The roots are carefully separated from the mother plant, and excess soil is shaken off. This is a meticulous process because any damage to the roots can reduce survival rates once they are transplanted into new beds. After harvesting, the roots are kept in a cool, shaded area and regularly sprayed with water to keep them moist. This prevents them from drying out and ensures they remain healthy until the next stage. Root harvesting is both an art and a science. Farmers must handle the roots delicately while also being efficient to cover large fields. After harvesting, the strawberry roots are cleaned in a shaded area. Old leaves, weak runners, and damaged roots are removed. Long roots are trimmed to a suitable length to reduce transplant shock. This step helps the plant focus its energy on developing new roots once transplanted into the field. This step also includes inspecting each root for disease or pests. Before planting, the soil must be fully prepared. Farmers plow the land deeply to loosen the soil and improve aeration. Stones, weeds, and old plant debris are removed to create a smooth field. Next, organic compost or well-rotted manure is mixed into the soil to increase fertility and provide essential nutrients for the growing plants. Raised beds are then formed along the field. These slightly elevated rows improve drainage, prevent waterlogging, and help roots grow strong. In modern farms, plastic mulch is laid on the beds to reduce weeds, conserve moisture, and protect young plants. Drip irrigation lines are installed to ensure that water reaches the roots evenly and efficiently. Bed making is a crucial step because it sets the foundation for healthy strawberry growth. With beds prepared, it's time to plant the roots. Small holes are made in the beds at consistent spacing to give each plant room to grow. The crowns are carefully placed just above the soil surface. Planting too deep can cause the crown to rot, while planting too shallow can dry out the roots. After placing each plant, farmers gently press the soil around the roots to remove air pockets. Water is applied immediately to help the roots settle and begin absorbing nutrients. Transplanting is a delicate process because it directly affects how quickly the plant will establish itself and grow. After transplanting, strawberry plants focus on building strong roots and healthy leaves. In the first weeks, farmers carefully water and protect them from extreme heat, frost, or heavy rain to ensure good establishment. Extra runners are removed so the plants can focus their energy on producing flowers and fruit instead of spreading further. With proper care, small white flowers start to bloom. Bees and insects pollinate these flowers, which is essential for forming healthy, well-shaped strawberries. After pollination, the flowers slowly develop into small green fruits. Consistent watering, balanced nutrients, and pest control help the fruits grow steadily. Over time, the green strawberries mature, preparing to ripen into bright red, sweet, and juicy fruits ready for harvest. The final and most exciting stage of strawberry farming is fruit ripening and harvesting. During this phase, green strawberries slowly begin to change color. First, they turn pale white, then soft pink, and finally develop a bright, shiny red color. This color change is a clear sign that the fruit is reaching maturity. At the same time, sugar levels rise inside the berries, giving them their sweet taste, while their natural aroma and flavor become stronger. Farmers carefully monitor the fields every day during this period. They check the size, color, and firmness of the fruits to decide the perfect time for harvesting. Picking too early can result in sour, underdeveloped berries, while picking too late can lead to soft, overripe fruit that spoils quickly. Timing is very important to ensure the best quality. Strawberry harvesting is done by hand to avoid damaging the delicate fruit. Workers usually begin early in the morning when the weather is cool and the strawberries are fresh and firm. This helps maintain their quality and extends shelf life. Each berry is gently held and twisted off with a small piece of stem still attached. This method prevents bruising and protects the fruit during transportation. Harvested strawberries are placed carefully into clean containers and kept in shaded areas before being sent for cooling and packing. This gentle and organized process ensures that the strawberries remain fresh, juicy, and attractive. Through careful ripening and proper harvesting, farmers deliver high-quality strawberries that reach markets and consumers in perfect condition. Not all strawberries are sold fresh in markets. Many are sent to processing factories to be turned into frozen strawberry cubes, which are widely used in smoothies, desserts, milkshakes, and beverages. At the factory, the strawberries are first washed thoroughly to remove dirt and impurities. Then, they are carefully inspected to separate high-quality fruits from damaged ones. After that, the selected strawberries are cut into uniform pieces for even freezing. These pieces are quickly frozen using special machines that preserve their natural color, flavor, and nutrients. Once frozen, the strawberry cubes are packed in airtight, sealed bags or containers and stored in cold rooms. They are later transported in refrigerated trucks to supermarkets, cafes, and restaurants. Some strawberries are processed into strawberry jam, a favorite on breakfast tables everywhere. In the jam factory, the fruits are cleaned, crushed, and cooked with sugar and pectin to achieve the perfect consistency. The mixture is then poured into jars, sealed, and sterilized for long-term storage. The jam preserves the sweet flavor of strawberries and allows people to enjoy the taste of summer all year round. From healthy roots to fresh, frozen, and processed strawberries, every step in this journey is important. The process requires patience, skill, and dedication. Next time you bite into a strawberry, a smoothie cube, or a spoonful of jam, remember all the care that went into producing it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing farm-to-table stories. Thanks for watching.